Studying 5th standard conversation. Good morning, Guru. My name is Arun. I am studying 5th standard conversation. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. How are you? I am fine. What about you? I am also good. Today date is 23/9/2024. Today date is
Day.
Today day கேளுமா. What is day today?
திரும்பவும் டேட்டு கேட்டா டேன்னு கேட்டு
today day is
Monday.
எக்ஸாம்பிள் மறக்க
சரி வீடியோ
சரிடா.
what is favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. What is favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. What is the school name? My school name is